Hello, friends. Okay, so my day is almost officially over, and I remember this song we used to sing after school, like after school assembly. Um, I like to sing it to you. You can learn it if you love it. It says, "Now the day is over, night is drawing nigh. Shadows of the evening steal across the sky." And the second stanza says, "Now the darkness gathers, stars their watching keep. Birds and beasts and flowers soon will be at sleep." I didn't know flowers sleep too. Yeah, but I think some flowers sleep. Okay, so it says, "Now the day is over, night is drawing nigh. Shadows of the evening still across the sky. Now the darkness gathers, stars their watching keep. Birds and beasts and flowers soon will be at sleep. Amen. Good night. See you tomorrow.